Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to add an admin to a WhatsApp community. Whether you're managing a growing community or just delegating responsibilities, this guide will make the process simple and efficient. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once inside, locate the Communities tab at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it to access all your communities. Next, select the community where you want to add an admin. Once inside, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Community Info. Now, scroll down until you reach the Community Members section. Here, you'll see a list of all the members in your community. Find the person you want to make an admin and tap on their name. A menu will appear with several options. Select Make Admin from this menu. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping OK. The selected member is now an admin in your WhatsApp community. They'll have access to admin tools like managing groups, sending announcements, and editing community information. And that's it. You've successfully added an admin to your WhatsApp community. This feature helps streamline community management and ensures smooth collaboration among members. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might need guidance. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.